Hey guys, what is going on? I hope you will remember me if you are one of my longtime subscribers. If not, I'm Carter. Nice to reintroduce myself. It has been 6 months since I posted a video on YouTube. Thank you so much to everyone who stuck around, and hello to all of my new subscribers. Today I am back with my usual Christmas content. We are going to be kicking that off today with a Michaels haul. Hopefully you will find it inspiring. For this year, I'm feeling very frosted, wintry vibes. And specifically like frosted outdoorsy. Like I want everything covered in white snow and glitter. Anyway, I'm sure you would rather see this stuff, so let's get into it. Really quick, I want to say I was able to get all of this for a really, really great price. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that you wait until a Saturday, usually it's a Saturday, where they will give a 20% off coupon for regular and sale items. That's how I got all of this stuff. So everything that I purchased was either 40 or 50% off in the store, and then I had a 20% additional off coupon for regular and sale items. So I highly recommend that when you go to Michaels, you, A, every single time you use a coupon, and B, for the holiday season, wait for the 20% off day for your sale and your regularly priced items. Anyway, that being said, let's just jump into that. I hope you guys are able to save some money. The first thing that I got was ornament hooks. Classic, a holiday classic, am I right? Everybody needs these. I wasn't sure if I had any or not, but since I know I was getting such a good deal, I just went ahead and picked them up anyway. Went with the silver. They had multiple different colors, which is really useful because trees are so varied in style and color now. So I went with the silver because, like I said, I am feeling super white, light, neutral, frosty vibes. So silver for me. And really, only I could manage to talk about Christmas ornament hooks for such a long time. I also went ahead and got a couple of ribbons. These are really teeny tiny ribbons. I got a silver corded ribbon, and then I also got a really thin, flat, white sparkly ribbon. Again, like I said, frosted. It is going to be a theme here. I am going to be doing a gift wrap haul because your girl is obsessed with gift wrap. She loves it. Okay, also this year I am absolutely in love with this like eucalyptus, lighter, more sage toned green for Christmas. As you can tell, this one's right up my alley. This is just a garland. Let me see. It says it's a 5-foot garland. I think I'm just going to set this flat on a table or on like a little tray. Definitely a little tray. With a pillar candle inside of it because I just think that that will look really cute. I might have to shape it a little bit, but also, you guys, this would be really good for DIYs. I did have a tree DIY idea with this, if you want to see that, but I will say that that would get a little bit pricey. I love these. I love the little eucalyptus vibes we're going for this year. You'll see more of that from me, and I think that these are just really simple and sweet. And then on the same front, you guys, I showed you guys the floral stems that I got last year too. Every single year I probably get floral stems. I like to use them for centerpieces and wrapping presents and just like enhancing other garlands. I'll just arrange these as needed, snip off little pieces and stick them here and there. I find these to be super, super useful. Like I said, I adore this color this year. I love it with white. I love this kind of simple, natural shaped leaf. I love that it's different than the traditional, and I love how these individual pieces are frosted and glittery. I love that somebody has already done the work for me. Like I said, saved me time, but I still got a great deal, and I can find so many different ways to use these. So I adore these little eucalyptus leaves. Eucalyptus leaves. Okay, and then along the same lines, I got a little sprig of cotton. I'm sure you guys have all seen this around, especially if you are a internet frequenter. It is, again, dusted on this little stem part, as you can see, kind of where the cotton buds have opened. It has got a dusting of white glitter, just kind of sprucing it up for the holiday season. You guys know I love it. Not too sure what I'm going to do with this, but I I am into like the modern farmhouse vibes for Christmas too. So yeah, I think this will fit in well. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this again yet, but it's going to be cute. I got 3 garlands that day that I was getting 70% off. Garlands are normally super expensive. They're usually an item that I'm like wanting so bad, but you know, the good ones are always so expensive. I mean, honestly, when I walked in there and they were 50% off, I was super excited. I was like, oh yeah, it's in the bag. I am getting one. And then I got on like the little app and saw that the coupon was 20% off, and I was like, oh girl, we're going in. So I got 3 garlands. I got 2 of these to just wrap around this tree that you see to the left of me when I really decorate it. With this tree, and some of you may have a tree like this as well, the branches are a little bit more packed tightly together. So we really have to like stuff and layer with this tree. And I don't have anything teeny tiny like this to bring, you know, dimension and just this tinier element kind of stuffed into the tree. I don't have anything super tiny. So I do want to be able to add this layer, this dimension, and I love that it is silver and clear. It's just going to reflect all those lights absolutely beautifully. So I do plan to use this on my tree. It is a 7-foot tree and it's really skinny. So yeah, these are 6 feet long. I'm hoping 12 feet will do me decent, you know, like nobody's looking that closely, honestly. So yeah, these were originally $12. Like Michael's had a ton of these this year. Definitely something for everyone. Really beautiful, fun garlands, different colors, different themes, ornate, playful. I definitely recommend going and checking that out. And I'm really excited to see how these look on the tree. I've never had anything like this for my tree, so your girl is hype. Okay, wow, this is a really floral, rich haul. Like I said, I like bringing the outdoors in. This one was originally $30. As you can see, it has got a little bit of flocking on it, but it's not overdone. So I like that this will match my kind of more traditional, the things that I already have, because I don't have a ton of flocked stuff. So one thing that I love about this is the different style of branches. I mean, I don't know the names of these, but you've got like just different little styles. So it adds a little bit of variety, a little bit of dimension and variation. I think that's really pretty. And then also throughout here, you have little pine cones on here. So it looks really nice and natural. I really like to weave those battery operated smaller lights, those like kind of dewdrop fairy lights. So I'll probably put this on my mantle with some of those on it. And yeah, you guys, this is my first garland with actual pine cones. So mama graduated. Okay guys, so that little haul is the jumping off point for my holiday life this year. I am going to go soft, frosty, outdoors in, just kind of simple, I think. I think it's going to be really fun. Again, I'm so open to all of your ideas. I'm definitely gonna, when I move this, I'm definitely going to do a decorate my tree with me, so make sure you subscribe if you're into that. I hope your season is off to a great start. I hope everyone is excited and ready for Christmas. I will see you guys very soon with another fun Christmas video. Please subscribe and don't forget to hit the little bell so you get notified of all of my videos. I will post all of my Christmas content down below as well as my social media, and I will see you guys very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.